Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the YONEX ZR 100 Light Aluminum Blend Badminton Racquet, a set of two rackets designed for both beginners and intermediate players. Crafted with precision in India, these rackets boast a durable aluminum frame and shaft, ensuring a lightweight feel with a weight range of 95 to 99.9 grams. The G4 grip size of 3.5 inches and the isometric head shape offer enhanced control and a larger sweet spot, making it easier to improve your game. Developed in Japan, this racket comes pre-strung, ready to hit the court right out of the box. While it's an international product, keep in mind that it may have different terms and instructions compared to local versions. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, the YONEX ZR 100 is a versatile choice that combines quality and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.